It's lunchtime. Just finished wash. And I will be cooking some salt mackerel. So this one is for 471 and this one is for 431. Tomato, $1,000. She said it's 1,000 per pound. She put in 4 in there and she took up one and switched them around. She said it's a 1 pound. So everybody raised up the prices of things. That's the only thing I can say negative right now. Like, prices should be dropping, instead it's hiked up. So in my opinion, I know everybody gets hit and everybody is having things hard, but I would rather drop the price so that people can afford things, but instead it's the other way around. So we just have to work with what we can work with right now. Haven't had salt mackerel in a little while, so I'm gonna make some. My husband doesn't fancy rundown, prefer the salt mackerel cook with a lot of tomato. Little dough, very small. While that's boiling, I'm gonna need some flour because you know your dumpling. Something full of it with dumpling. And banana is not a possibility right now, but I'm gonna try and get some next door or somewhere. Corn meal dumpling. Yeah. Tell the guys I'm gonna get banana somewhere, somehow. Today. I'm going to stop town. Your son over there?
No, it's my child saying he can't start to pay.
Oh, okay. Oh. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 for Jeffrey. 1, 2, 3 for Miss Yuna. Or 2. 2 each. Why am I a bit greedy? We can't put on the rest of tomorrow. 2, 4, 6, 8. I'm just gonna cut it like that and pour it. But because I'm cooking it in the skin, cook it separate from the dumpling. I mean, I'm washing it, but I guess I could cook together, but I'd rather cook it separately. What's up? Boil, you know. So you know, dumpling I could drop in. Guys, everywhere have open. KFC open, Juicy, Hammond's, Tasty Patty open already. When the taste done yet. But my husband loving cook food, so I don't know, maybe a few patty, but nothing more on the KFC. Dumpling. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you something. This piece of yam, a little bit of thyme here, the carrots, and 2 sweet potato, $5,000. When she told me say $1,000 for this, I said, oh, yeah, me not hear good, but yeah, because it look good now. I mean, you break off majority of the dead parts. I said, what? Yes, girl. Yes, people. Prices are hiked up because we just did Jamaica the other day and we go market and the prices were way cheaper. No, say, if I get to put this yam in the pot, if I get to put this yam in the pot, honestly, I mean, I know me, I want that. Just I go throw in the same way, I'm gonna care. Because I'm going to cook some mackerel and I have piece of yam. Also, I'm going to cut it thin. Guys, you hear me say, 5,000, it wasn't 5,000, it was 5,700.
Guys, watch out. Jamaica, no problem, man.
Come back on me.
It's the only beer you drink and you feel like you don't want to move it from the head when you put it up. You don't want to take it down. Whew.
Stop the salt mackerel. Just sprinkle the curry. Water. Sprinkle a little of the water from the dumpling pot. Black pepper. I don't know if this at dinner or lunch, but you're ready.
Yeah.
How is it?
It's a happen. Oh, wait a minute.